How to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So if you have forgotten your Facebook password and you want to see it, you're not going to find it anywhere in the Facebook app itself. So if you tried and looked for it in the settings, you're not actually going to see it. So here you only have the option to change your password, but for that you need your current password. So if you want to see your current password, what you can do is open up your Gmail and then tap on the profile icon. Now tap on manage your Google account. You can go to settings and then head over to Google to get here as well. Now head over to security. Scroll all the way down and tap on password manager. Now find facebook.com. Over here, you can find out your username and then password. Tap on the I button to see your current password, and from there you can get your Facebook password if you have forgotten it. But this only works if you have saved your Facebook password with the Google account. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.